Howdy do. What is today still? It is Monday. Y'all, I missed Bible study tonight. I just was so focused on coming home and walking the dogs and I was just got distracted. So I'm going to do, let me see how much this thing weighs. Whoop. Oh wait, maybe I need to zero it first. Hang on. 227 grams. So I'm going to put 110 grams, which is definitely not 2 servings, but wait a minute, what the heck? Something ain't right. Well, anyway, that's about half of it. It's just really weird. Because I zeroed it. I zeroed it afterward. Hang on. I know what I'm trying to say, I just can't get it out. Now. All right. Okay, so about 115 grams. This is going to be my supper tomorrow night. So this is 6 ounces of 73%. So this is going to be my supper tomorrow. So I'm actually making up supper for tomorrow. Reason being, this is, that's paprika. Because this is 8 ounces and this is a very small container. So I would not be able to fit even a serving of the vegetables in here. Put in some ginger and some chili powder. Almost dumped it right on. I forgot took off the dealie. So this is going to be, I'm going to put the tomatoes in with it too. So that's going to be supper tomorrow. So tomorrow night, I'll be having my chili stuff. And I'll be home so I could add more to it if I feel like I need it tomorrow. So that's going to be my supper tomorrow. And then, since the breakfast, there's not a whole lot of room in it. I mean, there is room. I might be able to get a serving of it, but I don't want to since I'm having it for supper. So for tomorrow for lunch, I'm just going to take the, this is 8 ounces of 73%. This is 8 ounces of 6 ounces. So this is 8 ounces, and I'm going to take my, this is the one that I made last week. This was, I did it in the roasted. I did it in the, this is what happens when I take melatonin and try to talk to you guys. In the pan, in the oven. So this has, wow. I can't believe I can't even talk. This is jicama, and I cooked it in the oven in one of these, since I can't say the word, cookie sheet. Good grief. I cooked it in the oven with cookie sheet and then that garlic herb seasoning. So I'm going to take this for lunch tomorrow. But since I'm standing here, I'm going to season up my breakfast after I put this back in the freezer. Wow. Cookie sheet. I could not think of that word. Man. That's just plumb sad. Oh, but I'm going to put this away, refrigerator. Holy mackerel. So you know what I think I'm going to do tomorrow? I'm going to leave off the cheese because that was 114 stinking calories. We're going to make this into like a burger. So hold on. Okay, I plugged everything in the chronometer. So it ends up being like about almost 1,500 calories. So we're going to do 1 serving of honey mustard G-Hughes, which is 30 grams. Okay. Ah. I wonder if I have more of this. Sorry, my alarm clock went off. I do have more of this, but I could also use this too. And you know, so that would taste good too. Anyway, but yeah, so we've got 1 serving of this. And then in another little container, I'm going to do a serving of dill relish. Which is how much? 15 grams, so 1 tablespoon. I had a coworker ask me one time how much something was. I'm like, oh yeah, that's 200 grams or whatever. And she was like, look, don't tell me in weight. How much is it? I need a volume number. I'm like, oh yeah, duh. So anyways, whoop. So, okay, that was a little more than 15 grams. So, there we go. So I got 1 tablespoon, a little more than a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put this together. Tomorrow when I heat this up, I'll put this on top of it. But I do want to put a little seasoning on there. Let's put some of these minced dehydrated onions. So it'll be like a, burger with some onions in there. Let's put a little, definitely need salt. I'm going to put some white pepper in there. And maybe a pinch of ginger. All right. So tomorrow, that's what I'll be having for my lunch. I'll have a burger and jicama. No cheese, no bacon, because tomorrow's going to end up, I think it's like 1495 calories. So we're at the max limit because of, I don't know which part. Oh, because I'm using the 73% ground beef. So anyway, all right, this is going to be lunch tomorrow. I'll take it with me and I'll show you when we eat. Hello, it's 10:30 and I am hungry. So I've got, the jicama that I made, that I pulled in last night. And then I've got my 8 ounces of 73% ground beef. This is the ketchup and relish that I put in here last night. And then this is the G. Hughes honey mustard. So this is burger in a bowl that I'm hungry. I'm hungry early. Some days I'm early on eating, some days I'm not, some days I'm hungrier, some days I'm not. Just kind of varies from day to day. But today I'm hungry. And I think I had already put in some salt and white pepper. So I'm going to take a taste and see how it goes. I know I don't need to add anything to the jicama, so let's see. Doesn't need anything. But that's good. And let's try the jicama. I know it's going to be good. So there we go. That's my lunch. And 10:30. I'm telling you, I've been extra hungry today. I don't know what my malfunction is. I think I seasoned this last night. I see powder or I see seasoning on it. I think I see garlic or chili powder. I think that's what I'm seeing. I've microwaved it already, but I remember I made it up last night, but I just don't remember what all I put in it. But yeah, I've just been kind of like, I got the Edie's today. I didn't cave. I just chewed a lot of gum and drank a lot of water. But yeah, I've just been like, ugh. Let's see. Yeah. No. More salt. Let's see. I'm going to add some curry to it. and some ginger. All right, let me stir it up. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, that's better. So that's my supper. Not quite a full serving of the onion and pepper. And it's 6 ounces of 73% ground beef. I got to put out the food that I'm going to eat tonight, and I'll just put that on the video for tomorrow. I think, I've been thinking about it. I think I'm going to do 8 ounces. I don't know. I got to think more. I'll decide on the weekend, but I'm thinking I'm tired of doing like 2 different amounts. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is 7 ounces, because right now I do 8 in the morning and 6 in the evening. So 8 and 6 is 14. So I'm thinking about just doing 7 ounces and 7 ounces. So then no matter what I pull out, it's ready and I don't have to do anything. You know, I don't have to get to try to figure out which one is which. So that's what I'm thinking about this weekend, is just 7 ounces, whether it's 73%. I might also pull out a pork roast. So we'll see what I pull out. I don't know. But stay tuned till tomorrow night and you'll see that video tomorrow night. And here is my nutrition for the day. My calories, protein, carbs, and fat. Have a good night.